Okay, RPG rules, status effects, the final tutorial. We're going to talk about making our own status effects. So the example I'm going to do, which will then be part of RPG rules when you get it, is a kill bonus, where you can have a status effect on you that gives you, say, plus energy every time you kill someone, or plus hit points every time you kill. You know, that's a old fave from Diablo. So let's go to RPG rules, scripts, powers, statuses, and we'll make a new script in here called KillBonus. Now all we have to do is open that up, and we'll make this one part of the RPG rules namespace. If you're making your own in your own game and you don't want to do that, put it in your own namespace and then derive from RPG rules status. I can just derive from status here. Take out start and update because it's not a mono behavior, it's a scriptable object, and we'll have a look at this error here. So we can go quick actions and refactoring, implement abstract class, boom, and this is everything a status needs here. So we'll go through these one by one. So apply is what happens when you get a status effect put onto a particular character. And for this one, we don't actually need to do anything at this point, because the status really just sits in a list, and then we're going to use it in an extra little piece of code we put into the system. I'll do get description next. I'll move that up here. This is just the tooltip for this status, basically. And we need to think about how this is going to work. What we will do is we'll have another status, which we'll call the boost, and this is the one that gets applied to you for a particular boost duration every time you defeat an enemy. So we can say return boost dot get description plus on kill, like that. Of course, boost might be null while we're working on it, so we'll just go if boost equals null, return the empty string, just to prevent dereferencing the null pointer there, null reference. Now these other three that we have to take care of are the costs of this status effect. How much does it give you in terms of benefits and buffs? How much damage does it do? What about how much sort of mitigation it does via status effects? And for each of these, all we really need to do is talk to the boost. So we just go return boost dot benefit per hit, target, recurse level. The recurse level is just to stop infinite recursion if things reference themselves, so we should probably put a 1 in there. Here we can go return boost dot damage per hit, caster, comma, recurse level plus 1, and return boost dot status per hit, target, recurse level plus 1. There we go. Now, is having the status all the time the same as only getting it when you get a kill? If you've got it for kills, you get to get multiple stacks of it. What I'll do is I'll put in a const float multiplier equals 0.5f, and we'll just multiply all these by multiplier, so we get them all at sort of half cost for now. We have to work to get this status effect put on us instead of just getting it. But at the same time, we can have multiple stacks, so it's not all terrible. Yep, so that's the script there, nearly done. The one last thing we have to do is copy this create asset menu tag here from another status and drop it on there so we can actually create them in the editor. So this is going to be creating kill bonuses. There we go. And that should allow us to create these now. So we can now go to Rainbow Guy. Let the scripts recompile, characters, Rainbow Guy, and create a kill bonus. Status. Kill bonus. And there it is, it's a little object. We'll give it the... play it as a red shockwave on our head to show how murdery we are. And the boost we're going to get will use advantage, which is a martial arts one, just an accuracy bonus. We'll get that for 20 seconds every time we kill someone. So think accuracy and damage bonus. In fact, we can see here it says plus 20% to physical damage, plus 10% to accuracy on kill. And it's got a benefit of 5.39, because these are basically benefit effects that make us better. Notice, by the way, these could do with a header, couldn't they? I'll just go in here and go header kill bonus settings, like that. Generally a good idea to do that with every status, and then it looks a lot nicer in the editor. 4, 5. There we go, the kill bonus settings are separated in their own header now. This doesn't have an icon yet. Let's just fix that up. So in Assets, Gizmos, RPG Rules, I've done a little bit of forward preparation, made an icon called Kill Bonus here, and we just need to give that the class name, space, and capital icon like that. So it's called Kill Bonus icon. When we go back to Rainbow Guy now, re-import, there, we've got an icon for that now. So we can actually use that icon in game as well. We'll have the kill bonus icon appears in our status bar when this is activated. Now we need to be able to activate it, so we'll just put that into the violet ray toggle that we made. That gives us our kill bonus. And let's see if that's working now. Violet ray on. There's a little icon, plus 20% physical damage, 10% accuracy to kill. Now, we need to put in a little bit of code in prop to make this all work, and I've got it commented out here. So this is in death check, where a character actually gets registered as dead, and this is the point where we reward items from reward tables to the killer, to whoever killed them. So what we're doing here is we checking if we've got a killer, you know, if the character isn't just dying from falling damage or something, and the object that's being destroyed is actually a character, because we don't want to have a kill bonus where you get bonuses for beating up crates or props or anything like that. So it only works on characters. We get all the status effects, which are actually kill bonuses off the character, and for each of them we apply the status for the particular boost for the boost duration we were given. And that is it. So we can save that, and this should now work. Let's kill this robot. So violet aura on, so we've got the kill bonus working on us now. Like I said, you could put this on pieces of equipment if you were making a fantasy game. So, and when we defeat this robot with our orange ray, boom, we get a stack of advantage, which is going to last for a certain while. If we go and defeat a crate, that doesn't give us a stack of advantage. If we defeat this guy, it's not... Yep, that's one off now, the advantage. No, it's left a 0 length one there. Fix that. But if we defeat this other character, make their hit points a bit smaller for this test, I think. We'll see that we get another stack of advantage again. So to recap, all you need to do to create your own status effects is make a script, derive it from status, fill in the various abstract functions that are required, which are the cost in, the description, and the onApply. Put a create asset menu tag on it. Yep, and something's not quite worked there. Put a create asset menu tag on it so you can create new ones. Override apply, get description, benefit per hit, damage per hit, status per hit. You have to do all of them because they're abstract. If we have a look in the status class, there are other functions you can override, other virtuals like update status. We've got pre-apply, boost, to determine how much it gets boosted if you upgrade the power. So we could do that, for example, for our death boost one. Is immediate. If it's an immediate effect rather than one that lingers on the character, you want to return true there, like an explosion or an energy drain. If it's a mez, you want to say so. Update status, for example, gets called every frame for each status that's active on you if it's something like a damage over time. So yeah, there are a whole number of other things, upgrade as well, to do with what enhancements you can slot in here to boost things. So yeah, let's just do this to KillBonus actually while we're here. So we've got a couple of one overrides there. Public override boost. Oh, that's power. Public override boost. And what we want to do with this is we actually want to go, it sounds weird, boost our boost the boost that we're using. So we go boost.boost power original there. And in fact it's not the original we want to change, it's boost we want to change. And we have public override. What was the other one? Upgrade. And here we want to return boost to upgrade with the, so that, you know, if we've got, say, a damage bonus, then the damage enhancements will increase the damage bonus and so on when we're leveling up, when we're starting up our character. Yep. So you've got the necessary overrides, the overrides which are optional, and add in the create asset menu, and that allows you to create those statuses and then stick them on powers wherever you like. Alright.